Hey, I'm that guy with a fish, and in this episode, we're going over what I figured out on the Etowah. It's the middle of May, and things are really livening up. So stay tuned, figure out what I've been using. You don't get to see just yet. You gotta watch the video. Stay tuned. Everything. Ah. How long have you been there? There's not any more of you, are there? Well, I wasn't expecting to have company on this trip, but since you're here, we might as well go on. As you can see, it's raining. It's been a while since I've been able to get on a trip, and I'm deciding to just say fuck it. So, and the rain shouldn't hold around for very long. Let's get on down the road, shall we? Well, get comfy, put your seatbelt on. How do I put this? All right, so I'm down here by Riverside, Allatoona Dam, Riverside Day Use Park area. Anyways, I like coming down here every so often. It used to be a pretty good producer if you just had a few hours. No big monsters. I think probably the biggest fish I've caught down here is probably about 4.5 pounds best. Probably around 18, 19 inches. The bathrooms here are always usually very well kept. Only one time that I've gone in there and it wasn't pretty. But usually very, very well kept, very clean. However, something I did not note, a note for if you use those bathrooms is they're not smartphone friendly. You know what I mean? You know, you're on the pot and you lean over. I was going to check the weather. It is still currently raining, and I was curious when it was going to clear out. And the toilet kept on wanting to flush on me, so that made things awkward. So just a heads up. Pun not intended for those of you in military service. Just FYI. We're here. Huzzah! We made it. Let's go have a look at the river, shall we? You look at that. That is cool. Don't look too bad. Don't look too bad. Well, here's hoping the fish are biting. Let's get in there. See if we can get a couple of bites. Bad thing about recording in the rain. Ooh, it's a little close. Sorry. I love mornings like this. Absolutely love it. Oh man, it's about the only time you actually see me kind of animated. All right, make sure we don't lose our kayak. That'd be awesome. All right. Ooh, a little chilly. A little chilly. It has been a hot minute since I've been out here. It has been a while. Last few times the fishing hasn't been fantastic. In fact, it's been non-existent. Anyways, while I've got something in my brain, here recently in the local area, in local lakes here in North Georgia, there's been several missing kayakers, and then they're later found deceased. Kind of a not the kind of start you want for a video, but it needs to be addressed. And the news reports stated that they weren't wearing their PFDs, that they didn't have one, or for whatever reason they weren't wearing one, and they were found. Anyways, it's not wear your PFD, plain and simple. I spend a little extra money just because I'm out here so often, and this one's comfortable for me. I like all the little pockets. I like pockets. I like shorts with pockets. I like shirts with pockets. I like pockets. All right. Anyways, this is a Chinook, NRS Chinook. Yes, it's a few years old, and it's still holding up great. A little faded, granted, but what else do you expect when you're in the sun as much as I am? Not here recently, but you get it. Spend the money for a good PFD that you are comfortable with wearing on the water. Now, I'm not saying it's necessary all the time, but it's necessary all the time. You get what I'm saying? a certain amount of common sense. I know you've got it, but some of the other people, come on, let's face it. Some of the other people, you're surprised they even got out of bed and got dressed by themselves. Yeah, I'll leave it at that. Alright, we're going to go up here, avoid the terrors of the water, my nemesis, geese. Look at them, over there, over here in the river, looking at me. You can tell, they got murder in their eyes. Nailed it. Yeah, one spot. Alright. Hey, first fish of the trip. Fat and healthy. Tiny, but fat and healthy. And ready to spawn too. Alright, that's one. Tiny one. Half of one. We got one. We're making progress on the Juke Fluke Jr. by Zoom. Yeah. Alright, just to give you a little bit of an update, I did get the one fish. I've been on the water for about an hour, and I've only covered maybe a couple of 100 feet so far. It's real light drift today. Current about normal this time of year. They last time the dam, which is just a little bit further up if you're new to the area, if you're not unfamiliar with the area, there's a dam about a mile further up the river from the ramp. I wouldn't even say that far, maybe half a mile, whatever. Anyways, we got the one fish on the junior fluke junior, whatever. But I'm thinking I've seen a few fish come up to it and just completely lose interest. And I've tried different kind of techniques with the fluke. I think I'm gonna go with I'm gonna wacky rig a worm. Just gonna find out what rod I'm gonna do that on. Because I want to keep the fluke. I want to keep the jerk bait. I think I might take off this spinner bait because it is really clear. This isn't really ideal. Well, it kind of is. I got a better one that would be more suited. So I'm gonna re-rig a rod or two, see if we can't get a better reaction. Still, I love this kind of weather. I absolutely love this. It's nice and cool. You just feel absolutely secluded in this. And I like that part. Not a soul in sight, including me. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ginger. You get it. All right. Well, it's starting to rain. Oh well. Here we go. Maybe it won't rain too bad. Oh, I said it, didn't I? I said it. I said it. Maybe it won't. Oh, now it's gonna downpour. It's coming in this shallow. I get to have a look, see if there's not any fish or any kind of signs of life. Seals up over here so we don't get as wet, right? We'll just wait out this little shower. Messing with it. There we go. There we go. Oh, he's a fighter. Oh, don't go around the anchor. Oh, no. Okay. He's free. I got you. Oh, yeah. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Oh, I barely got her hooked. Yes. Oh, easy now. Easy. Easy. That was not a great landing, but hell, we got her. I felt her kind of messing with it. Barely got her hooked. Felt her messing with it. At least it's on back there. Yeah, barely. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Again, fat. Small, but fat. That's two. All right. All right. Not bad, not bad. I don't think that was that one I saw earlier. That other one looked quite a bit bigger. But may have been. I don't know. Maybe I'm mistaken. I'm definitely not perfect. Far from that. Alright. If you didn't notice, I changed colors. Wanted something a little bit more pumpkin with some red and what was it? Silver, gold. Anyways, I was using kind of a half pumpkin green, half white, or green pumpkin, whatever you call it. First cast on that, and it got a fish. So I think we're starting to figure him out. Came back for it. Maybe. Oh, damn. Right there. Not bad, not bad. Little fighters. Decent one. Decent. Yes, ma'am. Here, darling. Don't be shy. Not bad, not bad, not bad. There we go. it's been creature baits. And rule of thumb, try to match the water clarity. Try to match the stain. It's like right now, visibility is about, I'd say 6 feet plus with a light stain on it. So I went pumpkin greens or very light green colors with a little bit of fleck in it. This has got a little bit of black. The Senko I've been using is a little bit lighter green. In fact, this is what's been hammering them. I've caught 6-7 fish on this already. I turned the camera off for about 2 hours and caught a few more fish. Now, granted, this trip has not been explosive by no stretch of the imagination, but it's not been bad. It is currently 1 o'clock. Normally I'm off the water by now, but the fishing's been pretty good. And I got on the water at around 8 o'clock. So, and I've caught 8 fish, I believe 8 by now. But Wacky Rig Senko and a crawfish. This is the Strike King Rage Crawl, something like that, on a shaky head. And that's what's got them. I've had a few little bumps on a jerk bait, but nothing committed. A few little chasers, but they were all juveniles. But that's pretty much what has worked. I'm on my way out of here. I think my knee is starting to get sunburnt, just a touch. So I need to my ginger butt needs to get out of here. But I'm going to work this bank and get on out of here. If you like this video, leave me a thumbs up. As always, subscribe. Leave a comment. If you catch me out on the river, say hi. I may not be the most people of persons, but I'm civil. As long as you're not being a complete ass, then odds are I probably won't talk to you, and I'll just wave, and even then. But don't ask my opinion, because you're not likely gonna like it. Anyways, I'm that guy with a fish. Where you at? Because it is a beautiful day out here. You're missing out. And it's Monday. I don't have to work today or tomorrow. I haven't worked for the last few days. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to fish my way out of here. Bye, y'all. Yes, I have to have my own theme music. Stop recording.